Students, how is you all are in lockdown? Go through with the new topic, that is dual nature of matter and radiation. Study, stay safe, stay home.
Dual nature of matter radiation, new chapter, chapter number 11 we are starting. And before studying this chapter, हमने अभी तक जो चैप्टर पढ़ा है वो चैप्टर नंबर 9 और 10 था। 9 में हमने पढ़ा था लाइट का पार्टिकल नेचर और 10 में हमने पढ़ा है लाइट का वेव नेचर। अब इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे लाइट का ड्यूल नेचर, डज द लाइट शोज ड्यूल नेचर और नॉट। तो जब ये यूनिवर्स बना था तो हमने चीज़ों का क्लासिफिकेशन दो चीज़ों में करा। पहला जो करा हमने मैटर और दूसरा हमने क्या करा, रेडिएशंस। अब देखें क्या चीज़ मैटर होती है। जिन जिन चीज़ों के पास में ये प्रॉपर्टी होगी, पहली प्रॉपर्टी, अगर किसी चीज़ के पास में मोमेंटम है या फिर मास है कोई चीज़, तो वो क्या कहलाता है, मैटर कहलाता है। ठीक है। और अगर कोई चीज़ क्या करे, कहीं पर जाके हिट करे, मतलब वो क्या अप्लाई करे, फोर्स अप्लाई कर दे, तभी वो मैटर कहलाएगा। जो मैटर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन चलते हैं। तो ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज जो शो करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, मैटर। मैटर क्या होता है, एनीथिंग विच इज हैविंग मास एंड ऑक्यूपाइज सम स्पेस। अब रेडिएशन, रेडिएशन वो चीज़ होती है जिसके अंदर क्या पाया जाए, वेवलेंथ पाया जाए, या फिर क्या चीज़ पाई जाए, फ्रीक्वेंसी पाई जाए। ये जो पार्टिकल रेडिएशंस होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं, स्प्रेड करते हैं, मतलब क्या करते हैं, ये फैलते हैं। ये सब पहले की बातें थी। आगे चल के ये पाया गया कि कुछ चीज़ें दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज़ को शो करती हैं। मतलब अगर किसी चीज़ के पास में मोमेंटम है एज वेल एज वो वेवलेंथ को भी शो करेगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी को भी शो करेगा, वो हिट भी करेगा, स्ट्रेट लाइन में चलेगा और क्या करेगा, स्प्रेड करेगा। ये देखा गया लाइट के साथ में। कैसे देखा गया, अगर ये हम मान लें कहीं से लाइट आके किसी एक मैटर के ऊपर आके पड़ रही है, तो अगर उसकी एनर्जी कम है तो वो क्या करती है, इफ़ एनर्जी इज व्हाट, लो, तो वो यहाँ पर क्या करेगी, स्प्रेड करेगी। इस जगह पर वो क्या करेगी, स्प्रेड मतलब फैलेगी। बट वही सेम मटेरियल है लेकिन उस लाइट की एनर्जी क्या हो गई, हाई हो गई, तो वो क्या करेगी, लार्ज हो गई, हाई हो गई। इस कंडीशन पे वो आके हिट करके इस मटेरियल से किसी ना किसी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को क्या कर देगी, इजेक्ट कर देगी। तो ये नेचर किसको शो कर रहा है, पार्टिकल को, और ये नेचर किसको शो कर रहा है, वेव को। तो एक ही चीज़ ने दोनों नेचर को क्या कर दिया, शो कर दिया। इसलिए लाइट के अंदर कौन सा नेचर आना शुरू हो गया, ड्यूल नेचर। अब हम ड्यूल नेचर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो हमने देखा कि लाइट में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ होती है जो ड्यूल नेचर शो करती है, उसका नाम रखा गया फोटोन। अब फोटोन कैसे, मैंने जो सोचा वो किस तरीके से रखा है, फोटो मीन्स व्हाट, लाइट, और ऑन मीन्स व्हाट, वेरी स्मॉल। कैसे, इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन आता है, मीजॉन ऑन आता है, प्रोटॉन ऑन आता है। इसीलिए हमने ऑन उन चीज़ों के साथ जोड़ा है जो क्या होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं। कोई थ्योरी नहीं है, ये अपने हिसाब से समझने के लिए रखा गया है। तो लाइट, फोटॉन्स क्या होते हैं, स्मॉल पैकेट्स ऑफ व्हाट, लाइट। नाउ इन योर NCERT बुक पेज नंबर 396, तो now the topic is what, concept of photon, and you will get all the concept in NCERT page number 396. I'm just explaining all these concepts. The first concept is, in interaction of radiation with matter, radiation behave as if it is made up of what, particle. So this is written on the page number 396. First point, in interaction of radiation with matter. So let us suppose this is any matter and here some radiations are coming. So if these radiations strike to this matter, then what occur? And according to a definition, in interaction of radiation with matter, radiation behave as if it is made up of what, particles. It means if they will hit on this surface, they will hit the surface and they will strike some of the electron from this. Example of the best is that if I am having a balloon and I don't know what is the color inside it, if I am throwing it, then it will show the nature of what, particle. until and unless it is flowing. When this balloon strikes to anything, then it will spread or it will blast and the color will come out. So the concept is that until and unless the balloon is flowing, it will showing the nature of what? Particle nature, and when it will strike to anything, then it will show its color will come and it show. So the person who has make this concept, he is such a clever that inside it is showing the nature of what? Radiation, and rest it is incomplete, it is showing the nature of what? Particle. So this is first point. Now what about the energy and momentum? So the energy, it is found that energy is directly proportional to frequency. This is the second postulate, and if we will solve it, then it is found to be what? E is equal to h nu. How it is found out? Let us take an example. If this is a thing, if it will strike 10 times in a second, then its energy is, you will get what? 10 joule. But suppose if it will strike 100 times, then its energy is what? 100. So if the frequency is increased, then energy is also what? Increase. Now what about momentum? In 11th class we have studied about momentum, and we have find out that momentum is equal to energy upon velocity. In 11th we have studied this formula. As we know that the formula for energy is half mv square, kinetic energy, and the velocity is what? V. Will cancel out. If we will neglect the factor of half, then the dimension is m into v is for what? Momentum. So it is found that momentum formula is mv. So the new concept shows that momentum of any particle is given or can be find out by the energy factor and by the velocity factor. There is no need of mass. So now we can eliminate mass, and by velocity and energy we can find out what? Momentum. So the formula for mu in modern physics is in E upon C, and in place of E we will write what? H nu, and C is what? Lambda nu. Nu will cancel out. The formula will come what? H upon lambda. This is a very famous relationship that momentum shows what? Particle nature, and lambda shows what? Wave nature. So this formula shows the dual nature of any single thing. Now the third is, does this photon have any charge or not? So in electric field it has no effect, and in magnetic field it has no effect. So it means photon is neutral in nature. The photon is neutral. Now the next is the rest mass of photon is 0. Rest mass of photon is what? 0. This is a simple formula, we will discuss this later on. Now the last formula is momentum and energy is conserved, but number of photons are not conserved. इसको समझते हैं एक एग्जाम्पल से. Let us suppose if this is a metallic plate, and what occurs? There are some electrons in this, and some photons are falling here in this way. Let us suppose the total energy of photon is 6, momentum is 4. Here the energy of all these thing, the whole system is 10, and momentum is 8. After striking, condition is what? After striking, matlab after collision, what occurs? Number of electrons are same. The energy will become 16, momentum will become 12, but number of photons is 0. What does it means? Initial energy is 10 and it is what? 6. Total it is how much? 16, conserve. It is 8 and it is 4, 12. It is also what? Conserve. Here number of photons initially is how much? 3. but here number of photons is what? 0. So by the experiment it is found that number of photons are what? Are not conserved, but rest are what? Conserved. Where the number of photons goes? Answer is they are absorbed by the surface. The best example is that in this case how light is produced. This we can understand by this example. Let us suppose this is an atom, and in this atom there are electrons. If initially here the energy is what? Let us suppose 2 joule, 2, and here energy is what? 4, and electron your 6. An electron goes from here to here. According to Bohr model, it will strike, but if this band is completely filled, then after some time it will come back. So while moving from here to here, we have given energy how much? 4. It is given. Lower to higher. But after coming from higher to lower, this 4 energy is released, and it is released in the form of what? Photons. So we can check that initially how many electron is there? 1, and 2. In finally it is how much? 2. Initially number of photons is how much? Initially, if we will count out the photons, how much? Here the photons is what? Released out in 4, and initially the number of photons is what? 0. So we can say that energy is conserved, momentum is conserved, but number of photons are not conserved. Initially they are 0, and finally it is what? 4. So this is the concepts of photon. We will continue next lecture tomorrow.